guys should get up and jig. Come on.
All right.
Yeah,
Come on, everybody, let's jig.
Get out here, Judge.
Oh, crap, Wolf.
We let you sing last night. You
Dylan,
can
you know how to jig.
I don't know how to jig. I don't know how to jig.
Let's jig.
Work it, boys.
Who's taking pictures?
Yeah. Keep that thing rolling, Bill.
This is also.
There's the birthday boy.
I bet the birthday boy knows what's up.
Whoa, he's an Irish step dancer. I'll be damned. Look at that.
I saw him on Riverdance.
Yes, you got it.
He's a hard act to follow.
I think I prefer Rick's moves.
Crank it up, boys.
I think Rick's running in a tough second for birthday boy.
Don, you can, come on. You're Irish as the day is long. Get in there.
I just dance
Don't
like
ever-
an Irishman.
Let's see it, Don. Come on.
I can drink like one, I can't dance like one.
Now, Rick's taking a lead.
Eric's going for it. Move in there.
Eric and Riley.
Far more central than
Aye.
Rick's movement.
Royal Mile Judge.
Yeah.
Okay, Rick.
You learned that watching the.
Now we're talking.